Here's how I went from
So
extra,
real
extra
quick,
large
I
to
wanted to
medium,
share
4
this
dress
video
sizes in
with
record time
you.
using nothing but pink salt. Ladies,
First,
listen
it
up.
really
The
upset
video
me,
showing the pink
so
salt
I'm going to
trick
turn
that
down the
melts
volume.
belly fat while you sleep has already passed 21 million views on
Does
TikTok.
this upset
Want to see
you?
how
So what is so weird about this video? Now, at first I was going to skip over it. It says ladies, not a lady. Pink salt, not interested in pink salt. Not a big Oprah fan. But what really blew my mind is that before I skipped this, I was like, what the heck is this? And you know what it is? It's a deep fake. It's a deep fake ad that was running on YouTube. And I was like, I got to grab this because this is pretty interesting. And the deep fake part of it is only part of it. But look how realistic it is of Oprah. Okay, because Oprah's not running her billion-dollar business to promote pink salt. I can tell you that much. So I'm just going to play it. And you watch this for a while.
simple it is to make? I'll show you right now. Honestly, I don't want to sound rude, but I'm done repeating this pink salt trick. This is the last time I'm sharing it here. The truth is, if you've been using salt and ice once a
The
week
Oprah
and still haven't lost
podcast.
inches off your waist, you're doing it wrong. And I say that because just this morning, I looked at the exact spot where I keep my pink salt recipe, the one that melts fat effortlessly. Some of my followers even call it the natural Zep. And honestly, I had to stop and let it sink in. I never thought I'd go from size extra large to size medium in just 1 month. The billion-dollar weight loss pen industry tried to shut me up, but I'm going to share the recipe that mimics the effects of Manjaro and Zepbound without the harsh side effects. If this video found you, congratulations. You got lucky. Tap anywhere.
Okay. So Oprah's not doing direct response, direct-to-consumer YouTube ads, first of all. And why would anyone in the world be running very expensive ads and go through the effort of faking Oprah to promote pink salt? Well, they're not promoting pink salt. They're trying to get people who want to lose weight. And there's an intersection, of course, between people who want to lose weight, women, and Oprah. And there's been that way for a long time. Plus, with the deep fake part, there's just a ton of footage of her and a lot of her voice. And so, I mean, it's the type of person that can be faked, and this is going to be more common. Now, this did become an ad on YouTube, and it was by somebody who just had a few subscribers. We don't really even know if it's the name of the person, Frank, or whatever they called their channel. But within a day, it had more than 200,000 views. It was all unlisted, so it was all paid ads. Who is this? Who's running this? We have no idea. It's very difficult to find out who ran this ad because they pulled it off YouTube, or YouTube pulled it off. Was there a complaint by Oprah? Was there a complaint by just an average person? Let me ask you this question. This is going to become so much more common with people faking another person, maybe faking a YouTuber, because it's just getting easier technologically to do. But should you trust a company that is starting by essentially lying to you and saying that someone is promoting this product when they are not? So I don't know how the technology of this is done, but I think it's interesting to know that it is happening or can happen. And how do we think about our ads? Now, you may be asking, why would someone do this? Why would someone run an ad faking someone who's, and then the thing that they're faking is just sort of a ridiculous thing, like pink salt? Why would that be? What these organizations do, and what a lot of organizations do, is they're basically just looking for your email as someone who's interested in a certain kind of thing, not necessarily the thing that they're talking about initially, and then they're going to just get you on an email list and sell you whatever they want to sell you through email. So they've identified you, but they're really looking for your email address, so they'll give you something to sign up for, and then they'll try to upsell you at some point. So anyway, this is happening. I don't know how big that this is going to become, but it's going to be more frequent, and I don't know what you do about it. I will have a lot of questions myself. Oh, and my name's Dane Golden, VidAction. I help businesses run YouTube ads. I believe in YouTube ads. I believe in advertising. It's an honorable profession, but not if you do something like this. So I believe in helping startups and services grow their businesses through YouTube ads and other ad platforms. And if you're interested, look to contact me or get on my newsletter. I'll see you in the next video.
Honestly, I don't want to sound rude, but I'm done repeating this pink salt trick.